Hi beautiful friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm outside filming today just because it's such a beautiful day here in Arizona, and I thought it would be fun to be out here playing. My kids are outside playing around, and so I thought I would just take a minute to film. You're playing with a ball? Show them. Wow! So they're doing that. Yeah, they saw.
This is a cool soccer ball.
Yeah.
Watch this, friends.
They can't see what you're doing, sweetheart.
Of course.
So I thought today while we're outside playing around, we would talk about my doTERRA order. So I'm really excited for my doTERRA order. I love getting these every month. Every month it's something different. A few housekeeping things. My last video, I said we were gonna do the gender reveal on March 28th. Some life things have come up since then, so we're gonna do the gender reveal on on April 5th. So that Wednesday after, which would be the 9th, I'll post the video here on YouTube for all of you guys to see what baby knobloch is, if it's a boy or a girl. Like I've said in previous videos, my husband and oldest daughter are kind of hoping for a boy. I don't care as long as baby is healthy. So we're gonna show you guys what I got. I got the doTERRA Spa Basic Spa Kit, which came with the hand lotion, which is odorless, which is great because I work in a place that is odor free or scent free. So this is great to have. My hands have been getting really dried out a lot lately because I've been going to the bathroom a lot since I'm really pregnant, washing my hands like crazy. So they're really dried out, so I'm excited to give this a try. And it also came with the body wash, which is something I've been also very interested in trying out lately. So these two came as a little set. I'm really excited to be trying these out. So, sorry, my nose itches. I'm really excited to be trying these out. I've also know that you can make body wash pretty easily. So if that's something you're interested in seeing me try, let me know. But I thought I might as well give the doTERRA body wash a try because I have never tried it. I got quite a few of these, and they are the doTERRA Beginners Trio, which has peppermint, lavender, and lemon in it. I got these for a couple reasons. One, I got 3 of them. One, because I want to start sampling lemon, lavender, and peppermint. It goes great with my 5-minute weekly emails that I send out for healthy habits in 5 minutes or less. And you can request those emails. I'll leave a link below. You can also request a sample of the lemon, lavender, and peppermint. So I got the oils so I can make out some.
Roasting marshmallows.
Oh, fun.
We're making s'mores because we're on the couch. Marshmallows.
Okay, go have fun.
Let's go on the couch.
Okay, you guys go. Mommy's talking to people right now. Sorry, guys. Like I said, we're outside while I'm filming this today. I also got the oil of the month. Oh, here it is. I also got the oil of the month this month. Had to find it amongst all of those, and it is called Palmarosa. I think I'm showing that correctly. Yeah. I'll leave some facts below what it's really good for. I've never used this oil before. It's a 5 ml, it looks like. Yeah, it's a 5 ml. But it looks interesting. Let me give it a smell. Oh, that's a rich smell. Oh, it smells good though. That smells really good. I'll have to give that one a try. We'll do some more research on it. I don't know much about Palmarosa, but there it is. It's that was good. That was a good smell. Something else I've been wanting to do lately is I want to start doing a monthly giveaway on my channel, and I thought something fun to give out would be some of doTERRA's soaps. They're soap bars, bath bars. So I have the original bath bar, the doTERRA Serenity Bath Bar and the Citrus Bliss Bath Bar. So I'm going to start that on my Facebook page, I think. Do a monthly giveaway on there with some of these. So if you're not already following me on Facebook, more incentive to do that. I got the 3-pack of each of them.
Mommy.
Oh, you're okay. I don't know how to put that on, honey. That's dirt that you're putting on a stick. They're putting dirt on sticks to make marshmallows. So I got, these were each a 3-pack of each. So I have quite a few months of giving stuff away. I also got the Citrus Bliss hand lotion. I've given this away in my private Facebook group a few times, but honestly, I've never actually tried it. I've smelt it and it smells amazing. So I thought for weekends, this would be really good for me since I can do whatever I want on weekends. Just when I go to work, having something scent-free would be really good. And then the last thing I got in my box is allergy season has been really bad for me lately, and I don't like taking Claritin if I don't have to, so I got Tri-Ease. It's a 60 count. I'm going to say one thing about Tri-Ease. It's just basically lemon, lavender, and peppermint. It's safe to take while pregnant, but peppermint may decrease your milk supply if you are a nursing mom. If you are nervous about having your milk supply not be that great, I suggest staying away from it. I'm going to start staying away from it in my 3rd trimester. I'm only in my 2nd trimester, so I'm going to try it out now for the help. In doing my research though, however, I have seen that people are replacing, they're just buying lemon, lavender, and melaleuca and putting those in a veggie cap, and it's been working great for them and their allergies. So that might be something I try in the future. But I'm gonna...
It's the fur cover.
Oh, really? So it's something I'm gonna try out, and I'll let you guys know how that goes. Once we hit the 3rd trimester, I'll leave my 2nd trimester, what I've been using essential oil wise, in a video for you guys all to see with a bump update. Today we are at 16 weeks. So we are moving along quite a bit. Getting pretty excited for baby number 3. So I'm just putting stuff away as I'm talking to you. I will leave the link down below to register for my weekly emails. They are nice, easy reads in my opinion, and they give great tips, great easy ways to use the oils in 5 minutes or less, but so you're being educated and you're learning more on how to use the essential oils. I think it's a great video, so great emails series. So if you're interested in that, I'll leave the link down below for that, and consider joining my Facebook group, my Facebook page, and following me on Instagram. I do post some educational stuff there when I'm not talking on this channel. So I hope you have a great day. God bless, and bye.